This is the question from 2023 January. In this they said constant supply voltage of 230 volt is applied to a coil. Coil means the combination of R and L is connected in series with a capacitor. Okay, and how much voltage they have given, that is 230 volt across, total is the 230 volt. Now they said the resistance of the 0.5 Henry coil is 10 ohm, means resistance is 10 ohm, inductance is 0.5 Henry, and the capacitance of the capacitor is 40 microfarad, right? Find the supply frequency at which current will be in phase with the supply voltage. Current and voltage both are in the same phase, means it is a resistive load. That means they have given indirectly the condition of resonance. Okay, one thing more, that whenever they'll ask you the Q factor na, so you can directly understood that it's a resonance, क्योंकि resonance के case में ही Q factor is possible. Okay, so as you know, XL is equal to X in case of resonance, Z is equal to R in case of resonance. Find whatever they said, find the supply frequency. Supply frequency is resonant frequency, that is 1 by 2 pi root LC. L we know, C we know, 2 pi we know. Can we get resonant frequency? That is the supply frequency. Hmm? L is 0.5 Henry, C is 40 microfarad. Next is the maximum current. Maximum current is I is equal to V by R, because this is resonance. So V by Z ki jagah we will have V by R. V is 230 volt, resistance is how much? 10 ohm. We'll get current is equal to 23 ampere. Okay. Next they ask you the Q factor. Q factor is 1 by R root L by C. Will have R also, L also, C also. Next they'll ask you the voltage across coil. Voltage across coil means they'll ask you VRL. VRL is how much? I into ZRL. I we already calculated, that is 23 ampere. RL is how much? R square plus XL square. R भी है and L है, XL भी है, right? Because XL is omega L and FR we already know. So simply we can substitute it, then we'll get